Yes, it is a fan. You probably didn't expect to see a video about a fan on our channel, but this is no ordinary fan. It is a very powerful fan with a wind speed of 17 meters per second and a motor speed of 43,000 RPM. You can use it for many tasks, such as travel temperature drop, air cushion inflating, outdoor fire making, blow dry your hair and clothes, cleaning dust and letting emergency for help. Yes, it features a powerful flashlight with 3 modes. It also has a built-in 9000 mAh power battery to recharge your devices. So I counted at least 3 main uses for it, such as fan, flashlight and power bank, but it has so many usage methods as a fan. Let's take a closer look at the JisuLife Ultra2 fan design and then see how it works. You know, JisuLife company specializes in a variety of fans, including handheld, neck, table and clip fans. The JisuLife Ultra2 is the company's latest and flagship model. You can check out all the products on the official website by the link in description. So the Ultra2 fan comes in this box. We can see that it is the world's #1 portable fan brand. To be honest, I didn't know that. We can also read the main features, specifications and what's included with the JisuLife Ultra2 fan. There should be a lot of useful stuff in the box. First, there is a fan inside, but we will take a closer look at it a little later. The first accessory box contains a screwdriver. I am not sure what it is for yet, a strap, a user manual, magnetic brush, and USB Type-C charging cable. Then we can see a cleaning brush, flat nozzle and round nozzle. The second accessory box has only a storage bag. It can be used for storing and carrying the fan. So the JisuLife Ultra2 fan comes with some useful accessories for cleaning devices. We will check how it cleans later, but right now let's talk about the design. My first impression of the JisuLife Ultra2 fan is that it is made very well. Its body is made of metal and only the bottom is plastic. You know, I have a cheap fan from AliExpress and we will compare their performance later, but when it comes to build quality, the JisuLife Ultra2 is much better. It feels premium and expensive because of its metal body and sleek design. You can also compare the size of the fans. Although the blades are larger on the cheaper fan, the JisuLife Ultra2 is about 10 or more times more powerful. The rounded handle of the JisuLife fan makes it very comfortable to hold in one hand. It looks like the top of the fan moves or even holds, but it doesn't. There is a safety lock and a button to turn on the flashlight on the side. You can use USB Type-C port for charging the fan. It also has an attachment for the lanyard that comes with it. The power button and wind speed dial are located on the front of the handle. When the fan is on, we can see the battery level or wind speed on the LED digital display. The flashlight is located on the other side. It looks like the screwdriver that comes with the fan is used to unscrew this cover. It is called honeycomb noise reduction air inlet. Without it, we can see the motor and the blades inside the fan. This cover is also used for dust protection. I even found information in the user manual that it should be removed from time to time and cleaned of dust. The user manual also says that the battery can be removed. I tried, but I couldn't. I don't want to scratch it or anything, so I'm not going to remove the battery. Back to the flashlight. It has 3 levels of the brightness and flashing or emergency mode. To be honest, I don't know the maximum brightness of this flashlight, but it looks very bright to me. In terms of design and build quality, I really like the JisuLife Ultra2 fan. Now I understand why this is #1 portable fan brand. Okay, now let me tell you how to use the fan. The JisuLife Ultra2 fan has a safety lock switch to prevent accidental activation. To turn on the fan, you need to move it to the right and then press the power button. First, you will see the battery level on the LED display. By moving the dial above the power button, you can change the wind speed. Now the screen shows the wind speed, which ranges from 0 to 100 levels. The fan provides complete control over its power. The JisuLife Ultra2 fan is equipped with a 43,000 RPM ultra-high-speed motor, and it uses Air Turbo 3.0 technology. The maximum wind speed can reach 17 meters per second. Let's compare the JisuLife fan with a regular fan. So here is the packaging from the JisuLife fan. If we point a regular fan at the maximum speed at it, it almost doesn't move. However, it flies away when the JisuLife Ultra2 fan blows on it. Now I want to show you some magic. The ball is levitating above the JisuLife fan. It has such a powerful airflow that it is able to keep the ball in the air. If you try this with a cheap fan, it will not work. You can see that the JisuLife Ultra2 is much smaller than this plastic fan, but it is much more powerful. Do not forget that you can use the JisuLife fan for many other tasks, for example, cleaning dust from your workplace. The nozzles that come included will help you with this. The fan is also suitable for inflating air cushions, making outdoor fires, drying your hair and clothes, etc. Okay, now I want to check another feature of this fan, such as power bank. The JisuLife Ultra2 fan is equipped with a 9000 mAh battery. If we talk about the fan battery life, it is from 1.5 hours to 25 hours, depending on the wind speed level. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge. However, you can use the USB Type-C port not only for charging the fan, but also for charging other devices. Yes, my phone really charges from the fan. The manufacturer claims that the JisuLife fan has a maximum output power of 18 watts. You know, the JisuLife Ultra2 handheld fan is more interesting than I expected. First, it has a high build quality with a metal body and a removable dust filter. It is very easy and convenient to operate. The safety lock switch is really useful to prevent accidental activations. The LED screen shows the battery level and the wind speed. 100 wind speed levels allows you to adjust the fan for any task. When it comes to the tasks, you can use the fan to cool yourself down in a hot weather, but it is also powerful enough to clean dust, inflate air cushions, dry hair and make fire. I think the JisuLife Ultra2 is a must-have for camping or hiking, because it has powerful flashlight and a power bank function. At around $76, it is a real bargain. Thank you for watching. See you soon!